Doing good. I'm come back with new topics. Today I'll show you how you can change font on your WordPress website. You see, this is my WordPress website. This is the simple website, nothing. I just install WordPress theme like that. So if you want to change your font and with Borax theme, then it will be easy for you. But if you have any other theme, I just show you where from you change. So this is the similar like that. So if you want to change, then you should go to customizer or you go to WordPress dashboard. If you come here, the WordPress dashboard, you can go customize. Also some theme have a separate option like theme option. If you go to theme option, then you can get similar UI. All right. So theme option. This is the theme option. This is the outside, and you can see and work. So this is the general, and this is the style option. All right. So if you click on style, then here in showing the default font and also heading font. This is for body and this is for heading. All right. So if you change, then for example, if you want to choose any font, then you can just select body. This is changing. So if you want to change the header, you look. Yeah, this changes. That's it. Very easy. And depending on the themes, where they are set up on the theme option, someone install it inside and someone in here will be customization. So if you look there, then you can find it and let me know what is the problem. If you have any problem if you face, and also mention me which theme you are using. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.